Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to another episode here on Girlfriend Unwrapped Travel. From art, oceans, cafe views, there's so much to see in South Florida. Come with me as I explore the best of what we have to offer, because this is Fort Lauderdale. Right now I'm walking underneath the Thrive sculpture, and this is so cool because it is adorned with so many faux plants, but the artwork itself is just amazing. It is truly a sight to see. Definitely a hot spot here in Las Olas. You have river views of the marina. You see the boats walking by. People are having coffees. They're enjoying their brisk walks with their dogs. It's really, really nice here. If you have 24 hours in Fort Lauderdale, let's say you're going on a cruise, or let's say you just have time to spend before heading out to Miami to really get the party started, Fort Lauderdale is much more calm. I wouldn't call it quaint, but it's a much more calmer version of Miami. Being a native here, I never truly get to appreciate the things in my backyard, and I highly recommend you come and spend a day here in Las Olas, maybe right before you head out on a flight, or like I said, you're going on a cruise. It's definitely worthwhile. Let me give you some views of what I'm looking at right now and all there is to take in. So this area is known as the River Walk. It's very, very breezy. You can get views of yachts and boats passing along. You can see the real estate here is very luxurious. There is a bridge that leads you to downtown, and right over here to my right, you can see the boats passing through the bridge as they come through to make their way down the river. It's quite a sight to see. It's very, very calm, very peaceful. The trees are blowing, and this is perfect for just walking, a date night, or coming over to a cafe or restaurant. Okay, so now I am walking back towards the shops and restaurants, what feels a lot like New York. Man, I tell you, the more infrastructures they're building here, the more scaffolding you'll see. So be mindful of the construction and the walkways, how they may vary and differ. It makes a big difference because you want to be very attentive while crossing the streets and watching for cars. Now keep in mind, there is, as within any downtown area, there are different parking lots, parking garages. It's all metered, so you definitely want to keep up with, the price you pay. Just if you remember where you parked your car, keep in mind and watch for cars, like I keep telling you guys. So during the day, this place is a ghost town, but at night it's booming. You can pick so many clubs to go to. They have popular drinking spots and restaurants, and this is just one block. There are so many different blocks that you can frequent. Just be sure that you know exactly where you want to go so you don't waste your time while out here enjoying yourself. Okay, so now I'm at Circle House Coffee, and this is a hidden gem. It's really, you would miss it if you don't look closely, but I'm driving through, and if you can see, I'm driving through because I'm going to see what it is that they have to offer. They have frozen lattes, horchatas. Okay, horchata. Can you give us one moment, please? Thank you. Okay, so you know I love coffee, but I've decided to try the ginger peach lemonade, and I'm not a fan of ginger, so if I really like this, I will highly recommend it. I also got the chicken empanada because here in Miami and South Florida, that's what we do, that's how we do. Long live the empanada. And so yeah, I'm gonna let you know if we really like it or not, because if it ain't good, I'm gonna tell you the truth. But I really am excited about this place. You would miss it. And I'll be sure to link the information below if you are curious about coming here on your stop. We love a good coffee shop, and we love some good food. All right, so I got the goods. This is the ginger peach lemonade from Circle House Coffee. And like I said, I don't like ginger, but let's see if we like it. That's nasty, y'all. I'm just playing. It's so good. It's so good. This is Girlfriend Unwrapped approved, okay? I highly recommend it. Okay, so now I got the chicken empanada. This is piping hot, like burning my fingers through the bag. But, you know, I don't care. I'm gonna try it. Just the crust alone is so good. I haven't even gotten to the filling yet, but it tastes homemade. It's so good. I'm gonna try it again. Oh, that's hot. Look, piping hot. $4.50 for this. Highly recommend. So I'm here on the Fort Lauderdale beachfront, and if the shops and the restaurants of Las Olas are too busy for you, definitely grab your bathing suit, a cooler, and spend the day here on the beach. The views are perfect, the sun is immaculate, and the vibes are elite. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the family. And until next time, I'll talk to you soon, girl. Peace.